How to get approved for a business credit card fast. Getting approved for a business credit card quickly can be a game changer for your company's cash flow and purchasing power. To speed up the process, follow these simple steps. First, make sure your business is properly registered and has an employer identification number or EIN. This step is essential as most issuers require this number to confirm your business entity. Next, prepare all necessary documentation. This typically includes your business financial statements, tax returns, and any existing credit history. Having these documents organized will help streamline the application process. If you're a startup without a credit history, use your personal credit score to bolster your application. Research different credit card options and choose one that aligns with your business needs. Some cards offer rewards for travel, others for office supplies, so select a card with perks that best suit your spending patterns. Be sure to check the credit score requirements for the card you're interested in. Knowing your personal and business credit scores before applying can prevent unnecessary rejections. When you're ready to apply, consider submitting your application online. Many providers offer quick pre-approval decisions through online applications. Ensure all information entered is accurate to avoid delays. If you're declined, promptly reach out to the issuer for insights. Understanding the reason for a rejection can help you improve your application and try again successfully. Finally, show financial stability. Lenders prefer businesses with reliable income, so showcase any steady revenue streams. Remember, even if you're a small business, demonstrating potential and a clear growth plan can make a significant impact. If you found these tips helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights.